Mengsk held a press conference commemorating the end of the so-called Brood War some 4 years ago. Our own Kate Lothwell was on the scene.
Emperor, the threat of a new Zerg invasion is still very real. But instead of expanding our fleets, you've squandered trillions on hunting down has-been rebels like Jim Raynor.
Jim Raynor represents a clear and present threat to this Dominion. He is an unscrupulous, lawless revolutionary bent on spreading fear and dissension across the sector. He and his ragtag band of miscreants have instigated open rebellion across 6 separate worlds and stolen vast amounts of the very methods of This criminal will be brought to justice very soon.
It ain't over till it's over, you son of a bitch. Adjutant, are my troops ready yet?
Your forces are prepared and awaiting your orders, Commander. Uploading tactical data now.
Good. About time we kick this revolution into overdrive.
Backwater Station is the center of Dominion logistics on Marsara. Destroying Dominion authority here will cripple Emperor Mengsk's operations throughout the planet.
Adjutant, what do you got for me?
Dominion forces have set up a logistics headquarters in the town of Backwater Station. This has become the hub for all operations on Marsara. The Dominion recently pulled troops out of the city and they are now under strength.
Are the locals cooperating?
The people of Backwater Station are known to be anti-Dominion, but they lack weapons and organization.
If I can take that headquarters away from Mengsk, it'll cripple him on this planet. Prep my ship.
All right, boys. Let's show the locals they don't need to fear the Dominion. Sell me. Time to man up. You can count on me.
Commander, there are tutorial videos awaiting your review.
Time to man up. Keep your intervals wide, your eyes open, and your asses covered. Let's move.
Don't go up that road.
Sounds like a plan. Time to man up. You can count on me. What's the plan? What's up?
Raynor, kill him!
Plan. You can count on me. Sounds like a plan. Raiders roll.
Keep a close watch on your neighbors. Descent will only slow our progress.
Commander, destroying the Dominion holoboards will help incite rebellion against the Dominion.
Time to man up. Raiders roll. I'm getting mighty tired of seeing Mengsk's face. Blast it. Plan. Time to man up. Sounds like a plan. Where is everyone? Time to man up. Raiders roll. Time to man up.
You gonna get
Break it down.
my neighbors? My family?
This is starting to look ugly. Talk to me.
Commander, a large Dominion force is gathering in the center of town.
Then it's time to call in that special delivery we talked about. You can count on me. Raiders roll.
Thanks for the assist. We're with you, Raynor.
Raiders roll. You can count on me. Raiders roll.
That's Raynor.
No,
Come on, son.
What's up? Time to man up.
This better be good.
What's the plan?
By the numbers.
Sell me. Sounds like a plan. What's up? Raiders roll. What's the plan? Break it down. You can count on me.
Your freedoms must be protected.
Break it down. This is bad.
On you.
Talk to me. Sell me. You can count on me.
You gonna give me orders?
What's up? Time to man up. Finally, there's the locals.
You'll all be given a meal when you reach the dig site.
My brother went off to the mine last week. He disappeared.
We got a runner.
They're shooting civilians! Move in! Raiders roll. Sounds like a plan. Raiders roll. Sounds like a plan. Raiders roll. Minsk has a lot to pay for.
Thank you, Rainer. We knew you wouldn't forget us.
There's more people still being held up ahead.
I'll see to them.
Marshal Rainer. Been a while since we saw you around here.
We're with you, Raiders!
This is a restricted area. You insurgents are under arrest. We got your back, Rainer.
Plan. You can count on me. Time to man. Raiders roll. Sounds like a plan. Raiders roll. Time to man. Sounds like a plan. Sell me. What's the plan?
I didn't think we could fight them, but we can.
Now you've got the weapons and the resources to do it. Remember, Minsk can only control you if you let him.